Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to show you how to make pecan shortbread. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 170 grams of softened butter, add in a half a cup of caster sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Next, add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Gradually add in 1 3/4 cups of flour, mix until a soft dough forms. Add in 3/4 cup of chopped pecans and mix until well combined. Tip the mixture out onto some cling wrap, wrap it up and place into the fridge for 30 minutes. Roll out the dough. Then cut circles out. Place the circles onto a lined baking tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Enjoy!